right, so window click through inactive. If enabled, clicking on an inactive window will both activate the window and trigger the element under the mouse if it is clickable. If disabled, clicking anywhere on an inactive window will activate it only, and a second click is required on the element. So let me show you what this looks like. So we have this window right here, right? And we can create a new one. And if I immediately, so the background window is deactivated, and this is the active window now. So if I click anywhere on this window in an element that is clickable, like any icon here, because the setting is set to true, where is it? There it is. Clicking the inactive window on an area which is clickable, which will actually activate whatever is clickable. So if I do this, I'm gonna go to the extensions tab, right? Now, let's close this out. And let's set this to false. And VS Code requires a restart. And now, if we open another window, so this is the active window now, if we click on a clickable element on that background window, it's not going to activate this button. It requires a second click for that to activate. So this is that setting. All right, whoops, I closed everything. My bad. Okay, let's open that up again. Okay, let's go to the settings. No need for that, whatever that is. Yeah, why not? Open workspace. Okay, so we're back where we were. All right, so let's set this to true, because this is obviously useful, so that when we click on an inactive window, we can immediately click on something that's clickable. So I'm leaving this setting set to true.